Welcome guys, Sufin here. In this video I'll be unboxing a Samsung SD card, and for this version it is the EVO Select 128 gigabytes with an SD adapter included. So the box is very simple. You can see in the front the actual adapter and the actual SD card right here. So it is the 128 gigabytes version, so it's not the biggest. I believe there's the 256 gigabyte version. On the back it just has some information about the SD card that you might not even need. So let me go ahead and open it up using some scissors. I really do hate this kind of packaging, but I mean, it's alright. Okay, so the actual packaging is this part, so let me just try to remove it. Okay, so it actually opens up, and this is the actual adapter. You just put the SD card inside of this small slot right here, and then you can insert it into any device that accepts regular SD cards, like a computer or something. Okay, so this chip is really small, so it's hard to handle. Okay, so this is the actual SD card. It's way too small to show. I don't think it's gonna focus correctly, but this is how it looks like. I also have a 32 gigabyte version from their old EVO lineup. It's an orange card. The green card is their select versions, which are a lot more affordable, I think. I have no idea what the difference is, but they're both really fast and they both can do 4K video. So I actually got this one for my GoPro 6, so I'm gonna be using it for that. But I'm gonna be testing it out later, and I'll be making a separate video if you're interested. So remember to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.